Welcome back, my Troll Train Riders, to the Crazy Troll Nation of YouTube. This one's going to be super quick because we're talking about eyebrow products, pencils, products, eyebrow pencils, eyebrow products. I'm speaking troll again. Sorry, not sorry. Y'all know I love the Fenty Brow MVP because the one side is a brush. And if you see me without any face paint on, you see my brows are short. I keep them trimmed. They don't need to be manipulated. They don't need to be glazed down, you know, spoolied and all of that stuff. And so I like this because it is soft. Spoolies, most of them feel like they're scratching my skin. So the first time I tried this, I've been using it for years. And I always purchase more when they're on sale because I do actually finish them up and go through them. And actually this is one I opened not too long ago because I finished one. Another product that surprised me is Lottie, which came in a subscription box. This is really creamy compared to the Fenty. It does have a spoolie, but it's not really rough. It doesn't scratch my skin. It took me time to get used to it because it is so creamy. And so with the Fenty, you know, I can just, you know, draw my line over and try to do the tail. This one, it was like skirt, and I'm like, oh shit, because it was so creamy and I wasn't used to it. But after the third time I used it, I got the hang of it and I really liked it. And the color is also good as long as I don't make the tails too long. Because even with this one, we'll do this side because this one looks better now that I'm looking at it. This is the Fenty. When I come down to here where there's no hair, you can see the color differentiation. So you can see from here to here, that's all product. Even though I do go through it with my brows, once I get to where there's no hair, the color may look a little funky. And this one does get funky. So for this one, I'll just bring the tail out to here versus all the way down. So that way it's not that noticeable that the color is off. This side, I think I did pretty good today with getting the coloring the same. And also what I realized using brow pencils, like how I wipe my lids before I put on eyeshadow primer, I realized I need to like wipe over my brows before I put on a brow product because I have skincare on my face, which may also make my brows moist, which also was helping this to just swoop and just, you know, go everywhere, and it was hard to control. And so it was a learning curve for me, but I do really like this one. Would I repurchase it? Well, it came in a subscription box, so I didn't actually purchase it on its own. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I would purchase it. If it was cheaper than Fenty, I definitely would, but Fenty's website is always having sales. And so I get Fenty stuff fairly cheap. Excuse me, so rude. This is a hella old Tarte brow pencil. They don't even make it anymore. I found it in my storage. The spoolie does scratch my skin, but the color is perfect. The color of this is, oh, this is all is winding up. So this will be trash soon because this is all the product that's left. But this one, I can bring it all the way over and the color still matches my brow hair. And that's why I really like this one. Again, they don't make it anymore. This one from the Maybelline Full Face Drugstore Makeup Collab. I do like it. The spoolie, it's okay. The color's good, and I did keep it. I haven't used it. I'm going to hold on to it for a while. Am I going to use it? I'm not going to lie. I'm going to throw it away. I did like it, though. But when I have something that I really enjoy, stuff that's like, it's okay, I tend not to use it, and so why keep it? That's my mindset, and I'm hoping that'll help you decide whether to keep stuff or not to keep it. Like, yeah, I like it, but I don't use it because I like other stuff better. And I think sometimes that's why we end up with a bunch of stuff. Because it's like, oh yeah, that's nice. And we keep it, not thinking, when's the last time I even picked that up? You know what I'm saying? And so if I don't remember when I last used it, I get rid of it. Except eyeshadow palettes, because I do rotate them. And I just noticed this is red right here. Squirrel. Got distracted. Sorry about that. So yeah. So that's something to think about. Oh, it's pretty. Keep it. Haven't used it in 6 months. Throw it away. Because if you haven't used it or you keep forgetting you have it, would you miss it if it was gone? If the answer is no, it goes. It gets tossed. So that'll be it for this video. Let me know what you think. Let me know what brow products you really like. And Yeah, so the Lottie one and the Maybelline one, if you do need a spoolie to tame your brows, those spoolies don't really hurt me, and so they might be good for you. Or if you don't have sensitive skin, any spoolie will do. And so that'll be it for this video, and you'll see me soon. Something will pop up over here. Hang tight, watch some more of my shenanigans, and you will see me soon.